Hello everyone, Mego Avazian here, Vice President of Farouk System, a hairdresser, a colorist, a hairstyler. So today we are here to show you an amazing, beautiful, glamorous hairstyle for the holiday. Stay tuned.
Step 1. Spray Royal Treatment Humidity Control and comb all hair to the right and create a 1-inch diagonal back part using the brow as your guide. Step 2. Spray Royal Treatment Texturizing Spray. Use the CHI Lava AirGlam curling barrel, then roll each section with 2-inch rollers, about 3 sections. Step 3. At the top of the head, use the round brush attachment on the AirGlam for lift and pin in a 2-inch roller. Step 4. Split the fringe. Round brush the back half with AirGlam and pin in a 2-inch roller. Over-direct the front half forward with the round brush. Spray texturizing spray and pin in a roller. Step 5. In the back, create 2 diagonal back sections with the curling barrel attachment and pin in rollers. In the crown, use the round brush attachment, elevate up and pin in rollers, over-directing upward as you go. Step 6. On the front left side, take vertical sections and curl with the barrel attachment, then pin. When all rollers are in, sprays Royal Treatment Ultimate Control to set, then Royal Treatment Shine Spray. Step 7. Remove rollers and on the top right, take 1-inch sections, elevate, comb, and spray Royal Treatment Volumizing Spray. Repeat on the left with vertical 1-inch sections. Step 8. Spray Royal Treatment Ultimate Control on a backcomb brush and smooth the top and left side back. Use a paddle brush sprayed with Royal Treatment Ultimate Control plus Royal Treatment Shine to brush the left side back and toward the right. Step 9. Using a wide tooth comb sprayed with Royal Treatment Ultimate Control. Comb from the front back and toward the right. Then spray Royal Treatment Volume Spray on the comb and sweep the left side back again. Seal with Royal Treatment Volumizing Spray. Step 10. Mist the front with Royal Treatment Volumizing Spray to refine volume and shape. Step 11. Separate the ends into soft cascade waves over the shoulder, pin to set, and spray Royal Treatment Volume Spray.
Okay, this was our final look. Let me know, you like it or you love it.